Are you looking to get on and off the table real quick while making a couple $100 in the process and not losing your money? Well, I got the strategy for you today. Shooter Bones here, aka the Mid-90s. And today, we're doing the 6-8 pyramid. That's the 6-8 pyramid strategy. We're going to start off with $550. And this is a very risky strategy because we're going to be going all in right from the set. Now, here we go. Let's just say we're at a $10 table and we're going to put $10 on the pass line. And we're going to wait for our number to roll. Let's just say we hit a 5. 5 hits. We're going to put $150 on the 6 and the 8. Then we're going to put $90 on the 9. And we're going to put $60 on the 4 and the 10. And the rest, there we go. Always. So, the whole premise is we want the 6 and 8s to be our highest numbers while having everything covered. So whenever we hit the 6 or the 8, we're going to either double up or we're going to put more numbers to these. And you keep hitting, let's say maybe 3 or 4 times, and then we just take it down. Or if you're feeling really risky, you keep it up. But the whole thing is, this is a one and done. So you hit a number, let's just say the 5, once you hit a number and the 5 hits, you win your number, you take it down, hey, day is done. All right, like I said, real quick strategy. So let's just get right into it. I hope everybody's having a 50 roll day. I know I'm certainly am. All my chips might have to come right back in there anyway. But in the spirit of the game, here we go. Tension. All right. So 150 here. And we're going to put our 90 on our 9. And we put our 60 here. You know what? Let's do it. We'll do 60 on the 5. There we go. All in. 8. 8. That's going to be 175. Let's have 1. That's 50. 75. So we're going to put, let's put another 60. 6 and another 68. And we're going to put, let's do another 25 on the 5 and a 9. Here's like the 8. Replace that. Okay. Here we go. Tension, winner, heart 10. 5 times 7. There we go. 35 right there. 10. Also, we're up. Like I said, we're one. That's a one and done. We're just going to take our money and run. Yeah, I know this is a short strategy, but some of us sometimes want to just throw money out there and just get it and go. Oh gosh, I'm like stinking this up right now. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 725. We started off with 550. After one roll, we're leaving with 725. I mean, that's not too bad, right? That's not too bad. I like that. So, till next time, take care of the waitresses, tip the dealers, and look out for yourself, and have a 50 roll day.